In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to Indonesia on Remitly. To get started, open your Remitly account in the app or on the website and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main screen, look at the country shown at the top. This is important because Remitly needs to know where you're sending money before you can continue. Tap or click that country option, then select Indonesia from the list. After that, choose Send Money to move to the Transfer Setup screen. Next, you'll be asked to choose who you're sending the money to. If the recipient's contact information is already saved in your account, this part is quick. Just select their contact from the list and continue. If they're not saved yet, choose New Contact. You'll then need to select their country, and in this case, make sure Indonesia is chosen. This helps ensure the transfer details match the destination correctly. After that, enter the amount you want to send. Take a moment here to review the amount carefully. Depending on the screen you're using, you may also see the estimated exchange rate, transfer fees, or the amount the recipient is expected to receive. It's always a good idea to double-check these details before moving forward so there are no surprises. Once the amount is entered, select the delivery method. This is the way your recipient in Indonesia will receive the money. The available options can vary, so choose the one that matches your recipient's preference and the information you have available. After selecting the delivery method, choose your payment method. This is how you'll pay for the transfer, such as through a linked bank account, debit card, or another available option in your account. When everything looks correct, click Continue. At this stage, you'll be asked to enter the recipient's account details. Make sure you type these carefully, since even a small mistake can delay the transfer or send it to the wrong destination. Once the account details are entered, simply follow the prompts on your screen to review and complete the transaction. Before you finalize the transfer, it's a smart habit to check the recipient information, the amount, the delivery method, and your payment method one last time. Accuracy is especially important when sending money internationally. Once confirmed, submit the transfer and wait for the confirmation from Remitly. That's it. You've successfully set up your money transfer to Indonesia using Remitly.